Let's talk about the difference between Hispanic and Latino, two terms that often get confused. Hispanic, or Hispano, refers to language, people from or with a background in a Spanish-speaking country or a former Spanish colony. Latino refers to geography, people who are from Latin America. That includes South America, Central America, and the Caribbean. For example, people from Brazil are Latinos because they are from Latin America, but they're not Hispanic because they speak Portuguese. People who are from Spain are Hispanic because they speak Spanish, but not Latinos because they are from Europe. People from Mexico, Venezuela, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, Colombia, and so much more are both Hispanic and Latinos. Make sure to follow us for more Spanish tips. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content.